Welcome to Croatia! Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers na yung camera. Ayan. Welcome to Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik. Hello Georgers, it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. After roughly around 3-hour flight from Berlin to Munich, Munich to here, and we finally arrived our hotel here in Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik, ayan. So, sea view yung room namin, pero dito pa lang sa lobby, ang ganda-ganda na. So, yung dinaanan namin going here, hindi ko na nakunan kanina, pero sobrang coastal nung area, no? Parang, ang sarap nga mag-drive dito, yung naka-top down ka. Ito ang view mo, Georgers. Tingnan nyo naman. Na-upgrade daw kami. Sabihin mo alam, ano yan? English.
Yeah, we were upgraded to an executive room.
Grabe yung view sa room namin. I think we have the best room in the entire hotel. Good morning! It is day 2 here in Croatia, in Dubrovnik. And we're gonna explore the old town today. It's somewhere there. Banda dun. So we're here in Old Town. Actually, nandito kami kagabi. Wala masyadong tao. Parang nagulat ako sa dami ng tao ngayon. Hi!
Hi, I'm Tao.
Kagabi may pinuntahan kaming bar kasi. And so umuulan. Wala masyadong tao. So nagulat ako ngayon, yung volume. Tingnan natin to. Pero ngayon ko lang makikita yung viewing deck. Para siyang parang yan, Vicky Fort
Santiago.
Fort Santiago na pinasosyal, na pinaganda. Pinintay, hindi katulad sa ate.
It's Fort Croatia.
Sa lahat ba naman ng travel vlogs natin, siguro naman by now alam niyo na I love old cities, and pasok pa pasok tong Dubrovnik, tong old town para sa akin. I-checkan niyo lahat yung vibe, look, atmosphere, lahat check. Pati pagkain, it's very may variation ng food, ng cuisine dito. Kaya maganda. Iba't ibang klaseng cuisine, you'll find it here in the old town. Bawat kanto sobrang ang ganda ng architecture. Para may halong Renaissance din eh. Alam mo yun, na medyo gothic. So for every country I visit, ito yung aking collection, apron. So we're gonna buy this. 10 euros?
Yes.
No discount? Okay, I'll get it. So we're having late lunch and we're having Japanese. It's called wasabi. So ganun talaga kaganda yung variety ng selection. Hi.
Hi.
Nandito pala yung area ng barge. Malapit lang ko sa kami nagtsatsaa. It is day 3 here in Croatia, Dubrovnik, and we're headed to,
Montenegro,
which is how many hours away?
2 hours.
By land. So imagine makakapunta ka sa ibang bansa in just 2 hours by land. So it's another country dun sa visited app ko. Mache-checkan ko na siya. So yeah, 'di ba? Parang makakapunta kami ng ilang bansa in just a span of a week.
1,200 islands.
So, in-explain ni Goldie, ang Croatia ay dating Yugoslavia.
Is 700 kilometers.
At sa lahat daw, ito rin yung pinakamagandang city in all of Croatia.
So binaba tayo ni Goldie dito sa our guide. Binaba niya tayo dito sa viewing point.
The best point for the...
Which part? That part?
That is old city, yes.
Okay. How's it? How's the view?
It's magnificent.
You're my best view.
Can we go?
So, pa-cross na tayo ng border. Ito na yung point na i-check yung passport natin. Hawak na ni Goldie yung mga passport. Mukha lang siyang toll gate actually. So, we are leaving Croatia as we speak. Ayan, natatakan na yung mga passport natin. Every time marinig mo yung stamp, parang there's a certain joy. No? Parang alam mo, another country ticked off your bucket list.
So, yung nakikita mo dalawang island, one is man-made and one is natural.
Yes.
So, nandito yung church. So, yung church na yun, ginawa nila kasi meron ngang apparition si Mama Mary. And then, yun yung naging basis nila para itayo yung isla. Parang in honor of her. Yeah.
Okay.
And then, Peras is right there. That's our destination. Later, our next destination. From there, if we decide to go to the church, we'll take a ferry, a small boat ride. We are on our way to the coast, the marina. We're gonna take the boat towards the island. We're here. Buti nakabili tayong jacket sa supermarket kanina. We're here at the Lady of the Rock. And sabi ni Goldie, pag pumunta ka sa likod ng altar, makikita mo yung isang malaking bato. Ito yung original na bato na nilagay ng dalawang fishermen na miraculous daw. Ayan. And sabi ni Goldie, pag hinawakan mo raw yun, may mararamdaman ka. Pwede rin hindi. Ayan. Ikaw, ano, may mararamdaman ka ba sa tingin mo?
Inis. Nararamdaman ko.
Doon tayo sa likod para mahawakan natin yung bato. Ang dilim. Ang dilim. You go first.
Bakit ako?
May hihila ng kamay mo dyan.
Patay, ako na.
Walang hihila. So, libutin na natin tong isla. Ay, ayan. Welcome to Montenegro. And that was Peras for you. We're moving on to our next location. Saan nga yung next location?
Kotor.
Kotor. Kotor. Aeroplano.
Kotor.
Airways.
Kotor Airways.
Hatoria!
So, we just got here in Port of Kotor and ito po yung view. So, di namin ensure kung aakitin namin yun, no? 1,800 steps, roughly. Parang meron yatang, if I'm not mistaken, a cathedral sa taas. Apakaganda rito pero apakahangin din. Buti nagpalit po tayo ng damit.
Rain or shine, shade siya. So, tarantado yun na. Bakit ito piliin yun?
So, we are having pizza dito sa Primo Pizza. For some reason, ang daming Italian restaurant dito.
They're here to haunt me.
Thanks for the pizza, Kempi.
Welcome.
Grazie mille. And this is it, Georgios and Jerry Bear. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Croatia and Montenegro vlog. I never knew pwede palang tumawid, no? ng Montenegro from Croatia. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. With that, I bid farewell with you with the Adriatic Sea. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Dahil papunta tayo ngayon sa next destination natin. Kung saan yan, watch my next video. Bye! Always remember, this is Jeremy. The more you eat, the more you love.